Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me, and today I am going to tell you most important English story thoughts. This is the story of an ordinary boy whose name was Mohan, and he was very poor. But how did he become a successful and rich person? Let's know about it. If you listen to this story carefully, then I promise you that you will become a successful person in the next year. Friends, in a village named Ramgarh, there lived an ordinary boy whose name was Mohan. He was very poor, and every day of his life was full of struggle. But he always wondered, is poverty a result of fate or something he can change? Mohan's father was a poor farmer. They used to do farming depending on the rain. Sometimes the crop would be good and sometimes it would be ruined. Mohan believed that his poverty was due to his faith. Nothing can be changed by hard work. One day, when Mohan was returning from the farm, on the way he met an old man. The old man said, "Son, poverty and wealth depend on a person's thinking and actions. If you identify the right path, your destiny can change." Mohan did not find this right. But when the old man said that he had a secret that could make him rich, then increased Mohan's curiosity. The old man gave an old book to Mohan and said, "If you understand this, your destiny will change." But remembering it won't be easy. Mohan opened the book, in which it was written on the first page, "A man becomes poor because he becomes a slave to bad habits." Mohan got worried and started thinking, what are these bad habits? Mohan started reading the book. It was written in it that people remain poor because of their bad habits. Number one is afraid to take risks. Number two, they don't save. Number three, they don't understand the value of time. Number four, they don't learn new skills. Number five, they always blame others. Mohan found this to be true. He said that his father also blamed the weather for every failure, but they do not try to adopt new methods in their farming. But there was a more complete message written further down in the book. If you want true wealth, you will have to pass 7 tests. Mohan could not believe it. Was this a secret? Mohan learned his first lesson in defeating fear. He thought, am I really a coward? The old man introduced Mohan to a businessman who was starting a new business in the village. He gave Mohan a chance for partnership. But for this, Mohan had to mortgage some land. Mohan got scared and started thinking, what will happen if the money is lost? This was the root cause of the poor. It was written in the book that fear keeps you where you are. If you want to move ahead, you will have to pass this exam. Finally, Mohan gathered courage and made a partnership. Soon, Mohan got his first success. His partnership was successful and he made a small profit. But as soon as he earned money, he felt like spending it. Then he remembered the second lesson of the book. The one who saves and invests the money becomes rich. He saved himself from wasting his money on unnecessary expenditure and put it back into business. But after some time, his partnership betrayed him. Mohan was completely shattered. Mohan felt that he had become poor again. But it was written in the book that cheating is common in the path of success. Only the one who ignores this becomes rich. Mohan realized his mistake. He had entered into a partnership without thinking. But now he had learned the new rules of business. He opened a trade again. This time he was cautious. Gradually his income started increasing. Mohan noticed that the village people were wasting their time. He came to know that rich people make good use of their time. He put himself on the right path and continued working hard. Now he had become a successful businessman. But till now he had not discovered the real secret of the rich. One day a businessman from the city suggested digital trading to Mohan. Mohan learned these new methods and this was his real test. Those who do not learn new skills remain poor. Mohan learned and his business grew rapidly by two. Now he had become a successful and rich person. But the people of the village were still poor. They used to blame the government and he cursed his fate. But he himself did not bring about any change. Now Mohan understood that unless a person takes the responsibility to change himself, he cannot become a rich person. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, my all dear friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, my all dear friends.